Feeling like high-impact exercise just isn't for you anymore. What if I told you there's a better way? A way to boost your heart health, increase your energy, and feel fantastic without a single painful jump or jolt. Welcome to your ultimate beginner's guide to low-impact walking, designed specifically for everyone over 60. Let's get moving. First things first. Let's talk about the foundation of any great walk. Your shoes, they are your most important gear. You want a shoe with good arch support and a cushioned sole to absorb the impact from the ground below. Think of your shoes as shock absorbers for your body, protecting your ankles, your knees, and even your hips. Now, where should we walk a smooth, level surface is your best friend when you are just starting your journey. Think about a local park path, a school track, or even a shopping mall for a climate-controlled, safe environment. Before we take our first real step, we have to prepare our bodies. A proper warm-up is absolutely non-negotiable. A good warm-up tells your muscles and joints, hey, we're about to do something, preventing injury and improving flexibility. Let's begin with some gentle arm circles. Stand tall and slowly rotate your arms forward for about 30 seconds. Great, now let's reverse that motion. Gently circle your arms backward to warm up those shoulder joints completely. Next up, leg swings. Hold on to something stable like a chair or a wall. For some balance and support, swing one leg gently forward and backward like a pendulum. Keep the motion smooth and controlled, not forced at all after about 10 swings. Switch to the other leg. Feel that gentle stretch in your hips. Oh, that's the goal. Now for our ankles. Let's do some ankle rotations to get them ready for the walk. Ahead of us, lift one foot slightly off the ground and slowly draw circles with your toes. First clockwise, then counterclockwise. This simple move helps lubricate the ankle joint, which is crucial for preventing twists and maintaining your good balance. All right, our warm-up is complete. Your body should be feeling loose, prepared, and ready to start the main walk. Now let's talk about something incredibly important. Your walking posture. It makes a world of difference in your workout. Imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head, keeping your spine perfectly straight and tall. Keep your eyes looking forward, not down at your feet. This helps with your balance and keeps your neck aligned. Your shoulders should be relaxed, not hunched up by your ears. Let them drop down and pull them back slightly. Now, what do we do with our arms? Let them swing freely from your shoulders, with a slight bend at the elbow. Your hands should be relaxed, not tightly clenched in a fist. Imagine you're holding something delicate like a potato chip. This natural arm swing helps propel you forward and can actually help you to burn a few more calories. Let's talk about your stride. You want to land on your heel, then roll through your foot to your toes. This heel-to-toe motion is the most efficient way to walk, and it's also much gentler on your joints. Avoid taking steps that are too long. Overstriding can actually put more stress on your knees and your hips. Focus on taking quicker, shorter steps instead. This will help you build a nice rhythm and a comfortable pace. Form is fantastic. Now it's time to actually start our walk. Let's talk about pace for the first 5 minutes. Walk at a comfortable, easy pace. This is still part of your warm-up sequence. You should be able to hold a conversation easily. This is what's known as the talk test for your intensity. After those 5 minutes, we're going to pick up the pace just a little bit. Posture is brisk walk. What does brisk mean? You're walking with purpose. Now your heart rate is elevated, but you're not out of breath. A good goal for beginners is to maintain this brisk pace for about 10 to 15 minutes to start. Listen to your body. This is the most important rule. If you feel any pain, it's time to slow down. There is absolutely no shame in taking a break. In fact, it's a smart way to build up your stamina. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the duration of your brisk walk. Add just 5 minutes per week. The key is consistency. A short walk every day is much better than one very long walk. Once a week, once you're comfortable walking for 30 minutes, you can try adding some simple intervals to challenge your heart. Intervals are short bursts of faster walking, followed by a recovery period of your normal, slower-paced walking. For example, you could walk briskly for 1 minute, and then walk at a slower recovery pace for 2 minutes. Repeat this cycle 4 or 5 times. It's a fantastic way to improve your cardiovascular fitness. Without overdoing it, remember to breathe. It sounds simple, but many of us hold our breath. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Deep rhythmic breathing delivers oxygen to your muscles, giving you more energy and helping you to walk even longer. Don't forget to hydrate. Drink a glass of water before you walk. And carry a water bottle with you. Staying hydrated is crucial for regulating your body temperature and keeping your energy levels up high throughout your walk. You've done the main part of your walk. Congratulations, but we are not quite finished just yet. My friend, just as important as the warm-up is the cool down. We need to bring our heart rate down gradually. For the last 5 minutes of your walk, slow your pace way down to a very gentle, leisurely stroll. This helps your body transition from a state of exercise back to a state of rest, preventing any dizziness. After your walk, we'll do some light stretching. This is the best time as your muscles are warm and pliable. After your walk, we'll do some light stretching. This is the best time as your muscles are warm and pliable. Let's start with a calf stretch. Stand facing a wall and place your hands on it for some support. Step 1, foot back, keeping your legs straight and your heel flat on the floor. You'll feel this stretch. Hold for 30 seconds, making sure you don't bounce. Then gently switch to the other leg and repeat. Next, let's stretch our hamstrings, the muscles on the back of your thighs. Find a low curb or step. Place your heel on the step with your legs straight. Gently lean forward until you feel a light stretch. Again, hold this for about 30 seconds. No pain, just a mild pulling sensation. Then switch to the other side. Finally, a quadricep stretch for the front of your thighs. Hold on to a wall or chair for your balance. Gently pull one foot up behind you towards your glutes. Keep your knees close together as you are stretching. Hold this position for 30 seconds, feeling that wonderful stretch, before you switch legs and do the other side. And that's it, your complete low-impact walking workout is done. Take a moment to feel proud of yourself. You've done something amazing for your heart, your joints, and your overall mood. That's a huge win for today. Now, how do you stay motivated to do this again tomorrow? Let's talk about some fun, simple strategies. Find a walking buddy, a friend, a neighbor, or a family member can make the time fly by. You can keep each other accountable and celebrate your progress together. It's a social activity and a workout combined. Create a playlist of your favorite upbeat music. The right rhythm can give you an incredible boost of energy. Explore new routes in your neighborhood or town. A change of scenery can make your walk feel like an adventure. Track your progress. Use a simple notebook or a phone app to log your time or your distance. Seeing how far you've come is one of the best motivators to keep you going on your fitness journey. Set small, achievable goals for yourself. Maybe this week it's walking 3 times. That's a perfect start. Celebrate these small victories. Every single walk you take is a step towards a much healthier and happier you. What if the weather is bad? Don't let a little rain or cold stop you. You have some great options. Remember that indoor mall we talked about. Or you can even walk in place right in your own living room. The key is to not break the chain of your new healthy habit. Find a way to get it done. Remember, this walking routine is about feeling good, not about pushing yourself into pain or exhaustion. It's your journey. Some days, you'll have more energy than others. And that is perfectly okay, just do what you can. The most important part is that you're creating a sustainable habit that will serve you for years to come. Let's quickly recap the key points. Always start with a dynamic warm-up to prepare your body for movement. Focus on great posture, walk tall. Look ahead and keep those shoulders relaxed. To maximize your walking benefits, use a brisk, purposeful pace for the main part of your walk. But always remember to listen to your body and never, ever skip the cool down. A slow walk and gentle stretching are crucial for your muscle recovery. The simple routine done consistently can lead to some truly remarkable health benefits that you'll start to notice. You might notice you have more energy for your hobbies or for playing with your amazing grandchildren throughout the day. you may find that you're sleeping more soundly at night, waking up feeling much more refreshed and ready. Your mood can improve as walking releases endorphins, which are your body's natural feel-good chemicals. A great benefit, and of course, you're strengthening your heart, managing your weight, and improving your overall cardiovascular health. What's not to love? Walking is truly one of the most accessible and effective forms of exercise, available to almost everybody. You don't need a fancy gym membership or any expensive equipment. Just a good pair of shoes and the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And you've already taken the first step. Today, you learned the right way to walk safely and effectively. You are now equipped with all the necessary knowledge. Plan your first walk for tomorrow. Put it in your calendar now. Start small, maybe just 15 minutes. The goal is not perfection. The goal is just to simply get started. You have the power to improve your health, one comfortable, confident, and enjoyable step at a time, believe it. We are so incredibly proud of you for taking this time for yourself and prioritizing your health and well-being. Remember to be patient and kind to your body as you begin this new and exciting fitness adventure with us. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like. It helps us reach more amazing people like you. And for more tips on staying active and healthy over 60, make sure you subscribe to our channel today. Thank you for walking with us today. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Stay active. So, what's the next step? It's simple.